The choosing of the ingredients is much more complicated, and at our level it carries such a responsibility for the quality that we serve in a restaurant. Italian biodiversity is just outstanding. You never know, you just keep on discovering as you're going along. A chef should be somebody that understands what's happened to the produce before. When we go and buy things, it's like voting with your fork every time. You know, if you go to a supermarket, you don't buy one thing, that thing is going to disappear from the shelves. We have a responsibility. It's not only the price that we should look. The idea that you have access to a produce that is of a very high quality, and not only that everything and everybody who was included in the production of that produce was treated properly, that is already a great step to make a good recipe in your house. It's very important to protect small producer to reach a market that will be able to pay for the quality that they produce, because quality's got a cost. The people seem to recognize themselves in their food, you know. I'll make you an example. In the 1700s, the spices were all coming through Venice. Venetians were very tight guys, you know, and they were taxing this, taxing that. And so suddenly one day they decided to tax the black pepper. The Florentine, the Medici at this point just were like, no, you're crazy, this is too much money. And what did they do? They decide to put fennel seed in it instead of putting pepper, in order to give it this flavor, in order to have something to cure it. Here you have this salami now, it's called finocchiona, and this is not just the fruits of creativity or research for a new flavor. This was something that was imposed onto people by the social economic moment that surrounded them. When you cut a slice of this, you're not just cutting a slice of salami, you're cutting a slice of history that comes with Italy. You're not just buying a little bit of food, you're buying a little bit of Italy for real.